और बॉडी
रेडी
ठीक है आपकी?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
और दूसरा आप नॉर्मली क्योंकि पाकिस्तान के फास्टेस्ट बॉलर हो तो छोटी स्पेल्स फास्ट बॉलर्स कराते हैं, लेकिन आपने काफ़ी लंबी लगातार 10 ओवर कराए, फिर छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद फिर वापस आ गए। तो उसमें क्या था, कोई लग रहा था कैप्टन को कि कोई और बॉलर नहीं सक्सेसफुल होगा इस वक्त?
देखिए उस टाइम पे ज़रूरत थी टीम को, और ऑब्वियसली जब आप कप्तान को आपको कहता है कि बॉलिंग करो तो आपको रेडी होना पड़ता है। और यही एज अ फास्ट बॉलर आदत मेरी है कि मतलब जब बॉल दे तो बॉलिंग कराना है, मतलब इसी के लिए हम खेलते हैं। तो मतलब ये सोचा तो नहीं था, ऑब्वियसली वो कप्तान उस टाइम पे सोचता है कि किस बॉलर को लाना है, कौन कितना इम्पैक्टफुल है। तो आई थिंक यही था कि उसने मुझे कहा कि बॉलिंग करनी तो
तो आप शुरू जब आपने किया तो थोड़ा सा फुल बॉल कर रहे थे, बाद में आपने अपनी लेंथ थोड़ी पीछे कर ली, कंडीशंस का था या फिर आपने खुद देखा कि एडजस्ट करने की ज़रूरत है?
देखिए ऑब्वियसली नई कंडीशन में आप एडजस्ट करते हो, आसान नहीं होता। देखिए एज अ बॉलर आपको डिसिप्लिन बॉलिंग करनी होती है, लेकिन जितनी जल्दी आप उस चीज़ को एडजस्ट कर लेते हो, डिफरेंट कंडीशन होती है थोड़ी सी। यहाँ पे पिच थोड़ा हाइट पे होता है और जो ग्राउंड होते हैं वो थोड़ा सा नीचे। तो आई थिंक एज अ बॉलर आपको बस एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है, और उसमें थोड़ा सा एक आधा ओवर लगा इन्हें एडजस्ट कर।
Good day. I'd just like to know, yeah, obviously there's nothing more demotivating than not getting those last batsmen out. So obviously those last few balls of Corbin Bush, etc., that kept going. How did you guys keep motivated during that period? Because it's obviously a very demotivating period if you can't get that last few wickets.
Look, in Test cricket, sometime happen. Last wicket, they sometimes score some runs because that guy all rounder he played really well with the Telander. So yeah, it was frustrating because as a bowling unit, you always thinking that 9 wicket down, and then suddenly they play well. So I think yeah, it was frustrating. But as a bowler, you just bowl at the right area, and you just try your best to get him out.
Well bowled, Naseem. It was a particularly good spell for you guys straight after lunch. Do you feel like the pitch is playing pretty much the same all the way through, or has it changed character today through the day?
You asking today the pitch was changed from yesterday, or you asking that next day will be changed or not?
Well, yeah. Compared to yesterday, do you feel it is because yesterday there was obviously a lot of assistance for?
Yeah, obviously yesterday was a lot of moisture in the pitch because it was the first day and fresh pitch that was. And today, yeah, it was. I believe that it's all about discipline because the pitch is good for both, even for the batters, for the bowlers as well. Both sides are helped because when you play good shots, the way Markham played some outstanding shots. So yeah, if you play a cricketing shot, so it's good for even for batting as well. And yeah, as a bowler, you feel from wicket you take the help, and you have to bowl discipline always because if you bowl wider, even the pitch is helping you or not. But if you bowl not well, then you will go for the score.
Naseem, I understand you're not a stranger to bowling long spells, but how do you keep your energy? How do you manage your energy to bowl 10 overs on the trot?
Uh, Obviously, you have to work hard for this. Test cricket is all about test. I mean, physically, mentally. That's why it's Test cricket. People call Test cricket. So, I believe as a fast bowler, you have to bowl whenever a team need, and you have to be ready for that. So, I always try to work hard and bowl more in the nets, and even in domestic cricket. So yeah, it's hard. Fast bowling is not easy, but you have to be ready for that.
Naseem, South Africa have to bat last. Do you feel like the pitch is deteriorating at all? Do you think inconsistent bounce is going to come into play?
I believe yes, because I heard about this pitch, and it's every day they change the behavior. So I believe yes, maybe next couple of days maybe the pitch will be behave different, or maybe save, I don't know. But I believe because today in the last session the pitch was behaving a little bit different. The ball was sometime kicking and sometime just low. So maybe yeah.